Which command would you run to check that the link to a time server is functioning and is stable? Option A. stat. Option B. ethtool f0. Option C. ethtool f1. Option D. netstatar. The correct answer is option D. Which two statements describe what the lattice/late mark feature does? Choose two. Option A. Retain historical calling statistics for the last 5 attempts on each phone on consecutive days downloads, for example date and time of call and completion code. Option B. Mark duplicate records as unable to be called. Option C. Retain the intradate field on consecutive days downloads, and if desired, mark a record uncallable after X days on the system. Option D. Retain recall configuration dataset on account on consecutive days download. Option E. Copy missing records from the prior day's calling list to the newly downloaded calling list. The correct answer is option A, D. A system operator finds that many records are being released on the system as completion code. Option D. Which feature should be used to determine if specific lines are having a problem? Option A. PIF report. Option B. Event monitor. Option C. List distribution. Option D. PC analysis extract. The correct answer is option D. Which statement is accurate regarding Avaya Proactive Contact Supervisor? Option A. Supervisor includes the following tools: Monitor, Internet Monitor, Editor, Analyst, Health Manager, and Role Editor. Option B. Agent Blending Administrator is accessible through Analyst. Option C. Supervisor contains components through which a user can control processes, control jobs, and view reports and statistics for proactive contact. Option D. The Hierarchy Manager tool is accessed through Editor. The correct answer is option C.